Let's make a quick gift card holder with a Cricut machine. Over here, I'm just designing the SVG. That's step number 1. For you, it's going to be available and you just have to download and upload. The good thing that I like about Cricut is you can work at night. You don't have to go anywhere. Just go to your office or wherever your machine is and just start working. You're like so independent with your Cricut machine. So once you upload it onto the design space, it has 4 elements, like 4 cuts. Just cut this on leather, cut this on paper. With me, I'm cutting it on a specialty glitter paper. Since this was my first cut, I wanted to test it out. Over here, I'm just arranging the elements so that I can save most of my paper. It's just the Indian means is coming out, but I like to save as much as paper as possible. The next step is connecting with your machine, and once the machine asks you, just feed the mat, and here we have all the elements together. Now all we have to do is just assemble. Assembling is easy, really easy, but before we assemble, we just have to score some lines so that we can make a pocket in which the credit card stays. I don't have the scoring tool that goes with the machine, hence I'm doing it manually, but on the SVG, it's gonna ask you to add the scoring tool. Whenever it does, just go ahead and do that. And now we just paste. If you have leather, right, and you don't want those extra flaps, you can always, cut them off. And instead of gluing, you can even sew. So with me, I decided to glue it because my paper was too thin. But look at this, it's beautiful. Look at the scallops. I think it looks lovely. After pasting, I do like to run it through my laminator once so that everything just, becomes permanent. And now there's one last thing that I wanted to do with this gift card holder. I wanted to put some eyelets using my eyelet plier. I am in love with this device. I mean, I just love how much movement it gives the paper, the albums. Like I use it for albums. I want to use it for keychains as well in the future. I love the finishing touch that these eyelets give to my project. Now I'm just deciding on some sticker, vinyl sticker to stick to beautify the whole gift card. I decided to give it a travel theme and added decoration and accent stickers on it. And look at this. I think it's just beautiful. I think it's come out really nice. This is another one that I've made. Tutorial coming for that really soon, so keep watching, follow, and yeah, it was glad to have you, and thank you for watching. All right, good night guys, see you tomorrow.